Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today I am going to share my personal experience on AWS, including cost, power, ecosystem, and how it makes actually help you to launch your business and money. If you are a developer, startup founder, or freelancer, you have probably heard about AWS, Amazon Web Services. But today I will explain you about AWS everything. It may help to start your business, or it may help you to enrich your business and grow your business. If you don't know what is AWS is Amazon Web Services. That's a cloud platform by Amazon. Instead of buying servers, you can rent online. Okay, what you can launch? You can launch servers, storage, email services, database, and more. So basically, AWS give you everything that to run a full software company. Why AWS so powerful? From my experience, AWS is powerful for three reasons: scalability, reliability, and flexibility. So, what is scalability? You can start small and grow big without changing your software infrastructure or anything. Then second one is reliability. Your app runs on global data center. Downtime is very rare, and it's almost none. If you also use load balancer or anything, it will be just zero. You know. Third, flexibility. You can build anything: SaaS project, mobile applications, AI system, or even fintech platform we have built and we using and we are maintaining. That every platform you can host here, you can publish here, and these are built in full ecosystem. You will get everything in AWS. Now, main concern is AWS cost. Is it expensive? This is most common questions. I have spent thousands of dollars in monthly payment. You, I think you are not going to believe that I have spent 100K in last year in AWS bills. From my experience, AWS is not cheap but cost efficient if you use smartly. From my experience, a small project can run under $50 a month. Medium apps can run 100 to 200 USD per month, and large production ecosystem depend on your scaling. You can spend millions of dollars here. There is no limitation here. You can use as much as you want, but you will pay only what you use. If you use, then you need to be pay. But if you don't monitor use, cost can be high very fast. So monitor your using and then decide. The main top priority, I am using AWS ecosystem advantage. Almost all time this is the security is unbeatable. And my question is, this is where AWS become unbeatable. Everything is connected, like the EC2 works with load balancer, S3 integrated with CloudFront, ACS handles email delivery, IMN manage security. You don't need any third-party tools, and there is a marketplace in AWS. You can use them if you need. You don't need to be built from scratch. In AWS marketplace, there is a thousand of products you can use. You don't need to be built from scratch. So you don't need any third party tools. AWS gives you a complete ecosystem. How AWS help you to make profit? Now the real value, because you are going to spend here hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. So AWS will help you launch SaaS faster, reduce infrastructure management time, focus on building feature, scale client easily. For freelancer who like us, for freelancer like us, you can change client for cloud startup. You can build recurring income systems. This is AWS become a money making tool, not just a server. Mainly, you have a probably chance to come in market and rule the market. Then you are welcome in AWS because it will use your money to give you services. So if you are going to take the best better services, then you need to be pay better. And this is the real challenge. I am being honest, AWS is not the beginner friend, because I have faced a thousand of challenges, but main three challenges I am going to tell you: complex pricing, too many services, security configuration mistake can be risky. Okay, what is complex pricing? Pricing are depend on the hour you used. Some prices are fixed that you can be use, and if you going to use AWS calculator for price calculating, there will never you will see same price in your side after you get billing. So what I will be suggest, you need to be learn better, and you need to be test. Then you will be get an estimation of the AWS pricing. And there is too many services, too many services. Basically, when the services is too much, then it may be confusion for our beginners. So what service they are going to use. And third one is secret configuration. If you leak any information from your root account or any IMM user, it can be risky. It can be just remove your ecosystem, your all account. So basically, you need to be uh, security concern about the AWS if you are using. But once you understand it, it become the superpower. It will be your, it will make your life easier than every other hosting or every VPS, everything you are going to use. So, so overall, AWS is powerful, scalable, and profitable if you use correctly. If you want, I can make more videos on next time how to use AWS step by step, real project deployment, cost optimization tricks. So until then, I am signing out, and don't forget to subscribe Tech Stack Hub, and let's grow together. I will see you in the next one.